Hey everyone, so I hope you all enjoyed my perfume collection video. This video is a little bonus video I thought I would film just to give you all an update to let you know which of the perfumes I'm trying at the moment and which perfumes I intend to do a review on soon. So if there's anything that you would prefer to see over these ones, please do let me know in the comments of my perfume collection video. Otherwise, you can expect to see reviews on these soon. So these are the ones that I'm testing. Once I've tested it, I'll get together the information that I need and then I'll film my review. So the first lot are these glasshouse fragrances. In the set there's actually 7. I've got 8 because there was a limited edition, but these are the perfumes that I'm trying out at the moment and I will be doing a review. I was thinking about doing a review as a set though and not as individual fragrances. I will still discuss the individual fragrances, but I will just go over all of them in the one video. Some of the other scents that I'm actively trying at the moment is the Carolina Herrera scents. So you can see them back here. So with these scents I am trying them all out, and I was thinking about doing the same thing because I have all 4 versions. So the original, the Supreme, the new release from this year. I was thinking about doing a joint review and including them all in the same video. So if that's something that you're interested in, please do let me know. So if there's any questions that you have that aren't already included in my perfume review videos, please do leave that below and that I can consider keeping that or incorporating that into my perfume reviews. And finally, the other perfumes that I'm trying out at the moment is the Prada Candy Night, the Black Excess and the Pure Excess as well. And also I was thinking about the Britney Spears perfumes because I've had a lot of questions about those too. But if you would be interested to see any of these, please keep your eyes out on my channel because those are the next perfumes I plan on reviewing. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave them below. And I hope you're all having a fantastic afternoon, evening, morning, whatever it may be, wherever you are. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!